Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add weather to Notion. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you want to make sure you logged into Notion. You want to go to the link in the description. Here is our site where you can find a weather template. Basically what we can use background color or background. We can change stress, we can change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius, we can detect usual location or not. That's basically what we can do. Then what you want to do, you want to go to HTML, copy this link, go back to Notion, then you want to add the plus. Whatever you want to add it, so let's say I want to add it right here. Then we want to find embedded. We can actually here and pad and then facing the code it, and bottom there it is, there is everything you need to do. Here it is, you can make it little bit bigger, and that is, so this is the way how you can add weather to Notion. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.